Fun Friday recipe is peanut butter filled chocolate protein balls. So what you'll need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein. You're going to need 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of pitted dates, which I'm currently soaking in hot water, 1/4 cup of flax seeds, about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which I've melted, and you'll need about 1/4 cup of peanut butter. So what we need to do to make this recipe is firstly drain your dates, get the water out, and then we are going to quickly blitz our almonds in our food processor until it creates a nice almond meal, and then we're just going to chuck in the rest of our ingredients minus the peanut butter and blitz together until it's sticky and well combined. We're then going to roll that mixture into about tablespoon amount of balls, make an indentation in the center, and then pop your peanut butter into a piping bag, and then pipe a little bit of that peanut butter into the center, cover up your ball, roll it up and pop it in the fridge to set.